2007 Honda Odyssey. Sliding door stays on. I'm going to show you the fix. So basically what you got to do is reset it. Pull this fuse box out. And it will be the backup, number 7. Right here. Number 7. 7.5 amp. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it'll be the 7th. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's a fuse puller. Pull it out. Check it. It's not bad. And you're supposed to leave it off for like 10 seconds and put it back in again. Okay, as you can see, the fuse is good. So putting it back will reset it. Put it back. Okay. Got it. There you go. Shut it off. That's the fix. Very easy and simple.